Hey, I'm Ezra Dyer for Yahoo Autos. Let's drive Bigfoot. Hi, I'm Ezra Dyer for Yahoo Autos, and I've always wanted to drive a monster truck. And today, I'm going to. Bigfoot 21. Step inside my truck. 1,730 horsepower, 575 cubic inch, I think he said. BDS blower. It's got these straps on it in case the supercharger explodes. Axles off of European farm equipment, tires off of fertilizer spreaders. I'm all in favor of repurposing farm equipment to this purpose. This is Bigfoot 21. Bigfoot has been around a long time. This is the 40th anniversary. It was one of the original monster trucks. Each time they redesign it, they make it a little bit better. This one, compared to number 20, is a little bit longer, a little bit wider, suspension's upgraded, and the engine is lower in the chassis. You know, it's all about handling with something like this.
Oh, yeah. So you can push against your heel while you're working the pedal.
All right, it's got a lot of travel.
Yeah, you don't need that much, trust me. You'll be hauling the mail if you go that wide. Or we go up here in the rocker panel and we flip this switch all the way down. Okay. And that's, you know.
All right, so it automatically
self-centers itself. And I'm sure you're warm. We probably should have did this before.
I'm feeling pretty good with up here. There's a breeze. So power on.
Right. We are in park.
We're in park.
Yep.
Power.
Power. Alcohol.
Alcohol.
Or fuel, whichever you want to call it. Ignition. And this is your start button.
That's the loud button.
That's the loud button.
I got shaky leg. I've got shaky leg. He told me I would have shaky leg, and I do. That is such an adrenaline rush. I mean, give me yours. A 12,000 pound truck with 1,700 horsepower. Like, I have such newfound respect for what these guys do, like in a hockey rink sometimes, getting them airborne and crushing cars and crushing buses and doing donuts. Even with this much space to work with, you're never not aware that that is a huge vehicle, as agile as it is. You know, I had no idea what was happening when I went off the jump. You just showed me the photo, and it was in the air. What, in the truck, you can't really tell until you land. And then it's like, oh yeah, now I know what you're talking about. If you got a nice, perfect rear wheel landing, that would be one thing. But if you land on the front wheels at all, it wants to whip you forward like that. But, oh my God, that is fun. All right, new career, monster truck driver. You guys need a backup? So I'm gonna find out how to get in. How do I get in? Not that way. No door.